2016 Mercedes GLE. The GLE comes with the full Mercedes luxury experience. It combines the sports sedan performance with SUV stability. It comes with beautiful, serene-looking interiors and a command system that is close by to access every setting under the sun. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, power liftgate, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, hard disk drive media storage, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, keyless start. Come take a test drive today.